ultimate sacrifice, which allowed us to achieve our heart's desires. To Miss Shirley and Miss Sandra, we may not have won gold for Mother Goose in the recently held regional finals of MTAL, which could have qualified us to the national competition. But I am confident that the future generations of the Gushian Math Wizards would eventually make it next time. Let your unwavering dedication flow like a living spring water of hope to the future MGP Math Wizards. Let it be your continuing challenge. Never give up. For all these and more, we shall be forever grateful to MGP, our dear alma mater, and to all those who composes it. You have made us what we are today, brilliant and confident to face even more challenges ahead. To our dear parents and families who have been with us throughout our journey, had it not for your support and unconditional love and inspiration, we would not be graduating here today. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. To my dad, Attorney January Agudo, who had always been a good father to me. I would miss our daily routine every morning where I wake you up just to wear me my socks before I go to school. To my mom, you have once again proven your worth as a teacher. 2 years ago, you were in that same spot with Dad, being honored as parents of the MGP class valedictorian for school year 2013. I am proud to have brought you there once again, in that most valued place where you are now again seated. With your hard work and perseverance, you rightfully deserve that place. Finally, to the graduating class of 2015. So, this is goodbye. After today, like my Kuya John Dominic, I will have to be gone for a while to pursue my high school in Pisay. As I move on to the challenges ahead, I shall always remember the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we shall be friends forever. My friends, it has been an honor to get to know all of you. You have made my years of stay at Mother Goose a truly memorable one. Thank you for all the encouragement and the hardships which let me be who I am now. I shall look forward to that day when we shall meet again, soaring the sky like an eagle. Till then, and may the odds be ever in your favor.